Hi, welcome in. How many in your party tonight?
You walk into an American restaurant. The server smiles and asks you that question. Do you know what to say? Do you know how to order your food, ask for the check, or split the bill, all in natural English?
By the end of this episode, you will feel completely confident at any American restaurant from the moment you walk in to the moment you pay and leave a tip.
Welcome to Real English Podcast. I am William from Australia, and today we are going somewhere fun, a classic American diner. This episode is perfect for A2 learners who want practical, everyday English.
Hi everyone. I am Sarah. In today's story, my friend and I are going to an American diner for the first time. We are going to order drinks, food, and dessert, and at the end, we will figure out how to pay. Let us go. Okay, Priya, this is the place I was telling you about. Classic American diner. They have amazing burgers.
Hi there. Welcome to Maple Street Diner. Just the two of you tonight?
Yes, just the two of us, please.
Perfect. Right this way. Here are your menus. Your server tonight will be Jake. He will be right with you.
Wow, the menu is huge. Look at all these options. What even is a patty melt?
Hi folks, I am Jake. I will be your server tonight. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Yes, I will have a lemonade, please.
And for you?
She will have an iced tea, please. And can we get some extra time with the menu? We have never been here before.
Of course, take all the time you need. I will be back in a few minutes.
Okay, I think I want a burger. But it says here, how do you want it cooked? Rare, medium, or well done. What does that mean exactly?
So rare means the inside is still very red. Well done means it is fully cooked all the way through, no pink at all. Medium rare is in the middle, slightly pink inside, very juicy. Most Americans order medium rare for burgers.
Okay, medium rare it is. Oh, and I see the burger comes with fries.
Absolutely. Most diners let you swap your side dish. You can also ask for the dressing on the side. That means they put the sauce in a separate small cup, not on the food. Let us pause the story and look at the key words and phrases from that first part of the meal.
First, server. In the United States, when you go to a restaurant, the person who takes your order is called a server. You might also hear waiter for a man or waitress for a woman, but server is the most common and polite word today.
Next, I will have. This is the most natural way to order in English. Do not say I want or give me. Those can sound rude. Instead, I will have the pasta, please. I will have a coffee. Much better.
Medium rare. Americans are very specific about how they want their meat cooked. The scale goes rare, medium, well done. If you do not know what you want, medium is always a safe choice, not too pink, not too dry.
On the side is a very useful phrase. You can use it for dressings, sauces, toppings, or anything you do not want mixed into your dish. Can I have the sauce on the side? I would like my croutons on the side. It gives you more control over your meal.
And remember, it is completely normal to ask questions about the menu. Say, what does that come with? Or can I substitute the fries for a salad? American servers are used to it, and they will not mind at all.
Great. Now let us get back to the diner. They are about to order their food and handle the bill. All right, are you two ready to order?
Yes. I will have the classic burger, medium rare, with a side salad instead of fries. And can I get the dressing on the side?
You got it. And for your friend?
She will have the pancakes with maple syrup, please.
Perfect choices. Can I get you anything else while you wait?
Actually, could we also get some extra napkins? Thanks so much.
Of course. Your food will be out in about 10 minutes.
Oh, the food was amazing. I am so full. Hey, can we also get dessert to go? They have a really famous apple pie here.
How was everything? Can I get you ladies anything else?
Everything was delicious, thank you. We would like one slice of apple pie to go. And when you get a chance, could we get the check?
Absolutely. I will box that up for you and bring your check right over.
Okay, so the total is $42. Do you want to split the bill? 21 each?
Great meal. Now let us review the phrases from the second part: ordering, dessert, and paying.
To go. This little phrase is used everywhere in America, not just at restaurants. At a coffee shop you might hear, "Is that for here or to go?" For here means you will eat or drink it in the restaurant. To go means you are taking it with you.
Split the bill. In America, it is completely normal to split the bill with friends. You can say, "Can we split the check?" Or, "Can we get 2 separate checks?" Some restaurants will do separate checks from the start if you ask when you sit down.
One important thing about paying in America, tipping is expected. The standard tip is 15 to 20% of the total. If your bill is $40, a good tip is $8. Never leave without tipping unless the service was truly terrible.
And a quick vocabulary note. In America, you ask for the check or the bill. Both are correct. You might also hear, "Can we close out?" which means you are ready to pay and leave. These small phrases make you sound very natural. Now let us repeat the most important restaurant phrases. Listen and repeat after each one. I will have the burger, medium rare, please. Can I get the dressing on the side? Could we get 1 slice of apple pie to go? When you get a chance, could we get the check? Should we split the bill, or do you want to pay separately? Time for a quick quiz. Question 1. What is the polite way to order food in English? Which phrase should you use? Pause and think. The answer is, I will have. For example, I will have the pasta, please. Question 2. If you order a steak and you want it slightly pink inside, how do you ask for it to be cooked? Pause and think. The answer is, medium rare. Question 3. You and your friend want to divide the restaurant bill equally. What phrase do you use? Pause and think. The answer is, split the bill. You can say, "Can we split the bill?"
And that is it for English 007. Next time you are at an American restaurant, you will know exactly what to say from the moment you walk in to the moment you leave. Remember, I will have, on the side, to go, and split the bill.
Thank you so much for listening to Real English Podcast. If this episode was useful, subscribe so you never miss a new one. We will see you next time, and enjoy your next meal in English.